Welcome to TagLock, the Lockout Tagout software solution. The benefits of using TagLock: easy to use, meet the OSHA requirements, standardize your process, reduce likelihood of errors and ensure safety, increase productivity, save time and money. Using TagLock, you can select from a list of approved lockout, tagout routines. View active lockout, tagout orders. View Lockout Tagout history. Build routines that are not part of the Lockout Tagout approved standards. Access to the electrical distribution database module. You can also link to your CMM's assets and equipment database, and use the drag-drop functionality to build your Lockout Tagout routines. You can attach and print one-line diagrams, standard operating procedures, and equipment pictures as part of the Lockout Tagout packages. Three steps process to request tags. First, select from a list of approved Lockout Tagout standards. Second, fill required fields and activate. Third, print isolation list, forms and tags. Example: let us say you want to tag Unit 1, number 12 condenser. Start by clicking the Request Lockout Tagout button. Type the word condenser in the equipment name field. Select Unit 1 from the Unit pull-down list, and hit the Execute button. Highlight Condenser 12 from the results. Click the Select button to confirm your selection. Select the date. Type the name of person requesting the tags, or select from the drop-down list. Select, or type, the reason for requesting tags. Fill in the maintenance work request or work order number. You have the option of deselecting isolation points if need be. The deselected isolation points will still show on the printed form in color red, with a strike-through line. You can also add additional isolation points. You can add a note or special instruction. You are now ready to activate your tagging request. Activate places your request in the active status, and assigns a unique request number. Let us now preview the request isolation document. Notice the deselect isolation points in red color. Let's take a look at the tags. Tags are generated for each isolation point. Tags can be outputted to a laser or a label printer using laminated sheets. Things are looking good. We are ready to print. You can print the isolation form, as well as any associated documents. You can print tags to be placed on locks and lock boxes. Let us look at another example. This time, I will show you how to build a lockout tagout request that is not part of your standard approved list. I will also demonstrate how to select assets from your CMM's equipment database, and use the drag-drop functionality to build your request. Start by clicking on Lockout Tagout Builder button. Let us say that you want to isolate Unit 1, number 10 control valve. Click the Add New button. Complete the required fields. Click the Equipment button to access your CMMS Assets database. Let's search for Unit 1, number 10 control valve. Click the Run Search button. You can also narrow your search to zero in on the results. Highlight CB10 and drag and drop into the isolation point pan. You can also click the Word Assist button. Because we are isolating the valve, we are presented with the following selections. Notice what happens when we select Stop before, and then drag and drop CB10 into the pan again. Let us repeat the same step. But this time, select Stop after, and drag and drop. You can also manually add isolation points. As you can see, you have the option to search and select from your equipment database, or manually type in isolation points. I will now go ahead and complete and save my request. I am now ready to activate and print. Thank you for watching. If you need additional information, please email us at oursoft100@gmail.com.